how to enable or disable find notification in SmartThings app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and you will see second option is connected devices. So click on connected devices. Now here scroll down and click on smart things. So after click on smart things, click on menu. So after click on menu, click on settings icon. So after click on settings icon, scroll down and click on notifications. So after click on notification, so service notification settings now here showing you find. So if you want to enable find, so turn on this button. So after turn on find button, you will see find is enabled. So if you want to disable find, so turn off this find button. So after turn off find button, you will see find is disabled. So you will enable or disable find from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable find notification in SmartThings app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.